Welcome to Mischief, a lightwave yacht with new innovative designs. This beautiful sailing catamaran exudes modern design with sleek lines. This state-of-the-art vessel has two private queen-size cabins, one with ensuite and a double cabin. There is a full-size bathroom with an enclosed shower stall, toilet and vanity. This boat can comfortably accommodate 6 to 8 people. This vessel has ample storage and features a popular Galley up facility, which is great for entertaining. The spacious cockpit has ample seating and cockpit table, with a large fridge below the raised helm seat for two. The walk around decks and spacious foredeck, together with ease of handling, make this an ideal holiday vessel.